Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand the concept of harmonic progression. So, suppose that, like, what is harmonic progression? First, try to understand it is reciprocal are in AP. So, suppose that we got this sequence 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So if it's reciprocal 2, 3, 4, 5 are in AP, then this is called as harmonic progression. Okay. So how does this look like? So it will look like this way: A 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by A plus 3D dot dot dot. Okay. So if someone will ask you what is the formula for nth term, how will you respond? You will answer 1 by A plus n minus 1 times D. So this is your formula for nth term. Okay. Like in arithmetic progression and geometric progression, we have formula for sum of n terms. Here we don't have any formula for Sn. What you have to do? You have to do it manually. Okay. Then we have one concept named as harmonic mean. Harmonic mean. So suppose that if they will ask you to put two harmonic mean between 2 and 64, so how will you respond? So 2 harmonic mean 1, harmonic mean 2, and then 64. So what you will do? You will do the reciprocal. So 1 by 2, 1 by harmonic mean 1, 1 by harmonic mean 2, and then 1 by 64. So this thing will behave as A1, this thing will behave as A4 of AP. Now you will find out the common difference D, and then you have to solve this and this to get the required result. Okay. Now you guys have already handled arithmetic mean where you did sum of n terms by the number of terms. Geometric mean as product of n terms to the power 1 by n. So like here also, here we have harmonic mean as it is n by 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by a3 dot 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 1 by an, where a1, a2, a3 are the elements of harmonic progression. I hope till this part you guys are okay and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.